Okay, this is the second video in the series of posting status or photos to your fan page. The second method requires you to go back to your home page, and home is where you see that up there in the far right corner. So I'm going to scroll back up and we're going to look for on the left side here what's called the Ad Manager. And so I'll scroll up to that. And it's usually listed right above your pages right here. So here's the Ads Manager. And in the Ads Manager, I'm going to go to Power Editor. Now you'll have to make sure that you have Power Editor installed, and that would make an excellent other video. But right now I'm just going to show you what happens when you already have it installed, and you can manage your ads from Power Editor, and you can also manage posts. So this opens up into the posting area, which is convenient for what we want to do, and I'm going to create a post. Now, since I'm going to be adding a photo to this, I'll just click on Photo, and I can either select an image and go into my file, or I can drag it. And dragging works really well in this format. See, it pops up right away. Now, this is where I will be putting in the text of the post, but before I even go to do that, I want to be sure that I say this post will be published on the page, meaning on my fan page. If I left it on that other dot up there, it would have said I would only be using it as an ad, and I'm not intending to do that. Okay, I'm going to go and click on the source for this photo, and I'll do that out of range here. Happens to be a very cool site that Dave Toussaint has. So I'll copy that into here. And again, I would also like to say something. The more you say things to the people on your fan page, the more you're apt to be inviting them to engage with you, and engagement is really important. So I'm going to say something like, enjoy this sunrise with your cup of Java or tea. And exclamation point, and I might say agree with a question mark. So asking a question, telling people to share it, like it, is all ways that you create engagement, and it builds up over time. Okay, so I've done that, and now I'm going to do create post. Now that is the first step in creating the post, but it's a little bit more when you are creating the post in this section. So next you have to do published, and make sure post up. Okay, that's good. I hadn't selected it, and that's why it said you got to make sure it's going to be, you got to select it. This shows what it's going to look like, and since it's going to be on the desktop news feed, this is what it will look like on the page. Now, I may see something here, I go, oh, I don't want it to say that. I'm going to have to wait before I can go and edit it, and I'll show you where that will happen. But right now, this one is highlighted. This is the one I want to publish. The others that I've scheduled are right here, and they are already scheduled because that's what that little calendar means. So I say publish. Now instead of publishing now, I'm going to say schedule a time to publish. And this will be, let's see, I think I'm going to make it, this one is a little different, doesn't show the calendar, so you have to either type it in for yourself. So we'll make it for the 17th in the morning. Okay, that's going to be St. Patrick's Day. I have to do some planning for that. And fans seem to pop up on this page pretty early in the morning, I think because we've got people back east as well. So I'm going to do a 7 a.m. There we go. So the 17th of March at 7 a.m. Now I say publish. Publish just means that it is going to go into the activity file. So it's there, but notice up here, you may not have seen, noticed it, but these were all white, and now this one's green. So to make sure this gets to the fan page, I had to click on that, and now it shows that it's scheduled. So we're going to go back to the fan page, and I'm going to do that by getting around some of this. How am I going to do this? I'll do this, that, and that way you can see the fan page, and here we are. I'm going to look at, this is the admin part of it, so I'm going to go in here to the activity log. And the activity log, if you watch the other video, you're starting to remember, oh, I saw that video, photo before. Here's some more, this one, and show more. And there's that sunrise. And this one is scheduled for the 17th at 7 a.m. Here's where I would click if I wanted to reschedule to a different time. I could move it up, I could move it forward. I can edit it. I didn't show in the last one, but if you edit, see, it's real nice, easy to work with. Click that, done editing, and whoops, that took me back to there. That's kind of a default that it will do as soon as you get out of it. And then we'll look at this again. I could publish it now, or I could delete the post. So this is the second way, and actually at first I thought the second method was a little bit cumbersome, but I found that it's really easy. The best way to utilize that is to get your photos lined up for posting, if you're going to be posting photos, and just you can do a bunch of them all at one time and then come on to this page and make any changes if you need to do that. When you work on Google Chrome, it's very nice. It posts the images here at the bottom, so they're easy to drag. Or just as a reminder, when you go into your files, what was the name of that photo? And there you have it right there. Okay, have a great day. Bye.